This is all we got for wood this weekend. You're not supposed to transport wood more than 50 miles. We had a couple left over in the back of the truck. Sorry, New York State. This is not gonna light. So, thanks to our friend Antonio, I've got an idea.
Hey guys, I'm here with this campfire hack. If you're like me, you don't always feel like searching for 5 hours to find twigs to get a fire started. So if you're like me and you want a quick fire that's gonna burn for a couple hours, here's the trick. Outdoor Duraflame logs. You can chop it in half to get more use out of it, but I prefer to stick the whole thing in the fire, get it started, and you'll have a good blazing fire within 15 minutes. The best part about this is that without the kindling, you don't need to do much work. You kind of put the Duraflame log down with some pieces of wood stacked around it like such, and once you light it, you're good to go. The magic trick, a lighter. Light it where you're supposed to. All right, and here we are. 15-20 minutes later, logs haven't moved, but the fire's blazing. Minimal effort.
We learned how to cheat with a Duraflame. We're gonna try it now. We have not done it yet. We've seen it happen. This is our trial run. So, unfold, light here, light here. Ooh. Okay, may have unfolded it too far. Take the giant rock out. I have never ever used a Duraflame log in my life, so this is going to be a first. Light both ends like the instructions say. It's burning. I'm going to put these couple of giant suckers right on top. So hopefully when the magic happens, those go light up in flame too. Wow, that's actually, I didn't think that wrapper would light. The Duraflame log works really well. It's cheating, of course, but it works.
You can see that it seems to be working.
The wrapper's lit. I don't see that the Duraflame log has yet to light.
Looking pretty successful to me. I don't know why we didn't think of it sooner. Huh. Thanks, Antonio.
Proof that no matter how long you've been camping, you can always learn something new, especially from somebody who's new at it. But this is action in progress.
It's our trial run.
Trial run.